Hi, it's Andyju McGrathu here, the author of Tadej Pogačar, Unstoppable, the biography of a supreme cycling champion. I just wanted to say a few words about the experience. I think it's unbelievable that this small child who was late to develop and wasn't even the best rider in his Slovenian cycling club has become a generational cycling star. And, it was a real pleasure to piece together every bit of his journey, from the unassuming beginnings, all the way through to his 4 Tour de France victories, the world titles, and many more. And yes, it's Tadej's story on and off the bike, exploring what makes him so special and who he is. But it's also the story of his team, how his squad, backed by UAE, has become the #1 powerhouse. It's the story of the 2020s in pro cycling, because he's dominated and changed how races are won and run. And it's even the story, a bit of Slovenian cycling passion, how that's grown, and maybe even a bit of Slovenian culture. I think it says something about the quiet industriousness of Slovenians and their determination. So I think there's something for everyone, and I hope readers enjoy it. Hvala.